Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out of CoolWallet application using your iPhone. You can repeat the same step for your Android device as well, since the process is similar. The first thing you want to do is to open the CoolWallet app. Once you're inside the main home page of the wallet, tap on the settings or the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. You will not be able to find any logout option within the application. So in order to log out of your app, you will need to force close the app. Go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your mobile device and then force close the application like you normally do. Push off the app card upwards, and once you force close the app, every time you try to log in again or open up the app, you will be required to enter your password for your wallet. Once you type in your correct password, you will then be able to unlock your wallet again. So that is how you log out of CoolWallet application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again